on shifting our focus to Karnataka, it was a high-stakes day in Karnataka yesterday as the top Congress leaders descended for a crucial meeting there. After hours of discussion, the suspense was finally put to rest, with Chief Minister in waiting D.K. Shivkumar being elected as the CLP leader, a decision that paves the way for him to become the next Chief Minister of Karnataka. But the Congress General Secretary, K.C. Venugopal, has confirmed that Shivkumar will be taking oath on June 3rd and will be joined by the members of his Council of Ministers. Following the CLP meeting that took place in the evening yesterday, in fact, DK has also met with the governor and formally staked claim to form the government in Karnataka. And with the leadership question now settled, the focus now shifts to the swearing-in ceremony that is there on June 3rd and the composition of the new cabinet as well.
I would like to proudly announce that Karnataka Legislative Party unanimously elected D.K. Shivkumar as the leader of the Legislative Party of Karnataka Congress. Now he is going to the governor for taking claim as a chief minister, and is going to take oath as a chief minister along with his team on third evening.
कांग्रेस परिवार इकट्ठा है। सर्वसम्मति से कांग्रेस परिवार ने डीके शिव कुमार जी को चुना है और सिद्धरामैया जी ने यह प्रस्ताव रखा है। कांग्रेस एक है, कर्नाटक एक है। कर्नाटक का विकास ही हमारा लक्ष्य है।
And now Karnataka governor has formally invited D.K. Shivkumar to take oath as the chief minister. In a letter that has been issued after receiving D.K.'s claim to form the government, the governor has said that he had taken note of the support extended to Shivkumar and invited him to be sworn in as the chief minister. The letter also confirms that the swearing-in ceremony will be held on June 3rd between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock in the evening. Now, even as the Congress party celebrates the elevation of D.K. Shivkumar as the CLP leader, the BJP has launched a scathing attack on the party. Listen in.
And there is no governance and no development. They should put it on rails, but people doesn't have any hope. It will be the same status continuing, and people are really fed up. OBC are much more fed up, and certainly people will teach a lesson to Congress.
जिस बेदर्दी के साथ, जिस क्रूरता के साथ राहुल गांधी ने सिद्धरामैया जो वहाँ के पिछड़े समाज के एक बहुत मजबूत नेता थे, उनको ढकेल करके बाहर किया है, उससे राहुल गांधी पूरी तरह एक्सपोज हो गए हैं। और सिर्फ दो ही काम करते हैं, दलित पिछड़ा, दलित पिछड़ा, दलित पिछड़ा। अकेला प्रदेश जहाँ एक पिछड़ा वर्ग का आदमी मजबूती के साथ सत्ता पर बैठा हुआ था, उन्होंने निकाल के उसको मक्खी की तरह, जैसे दूध में से मक्खी फेंकते हैं, वैसे ही सिद्धरामैया को निकाल के फेंक दिया। वो अच्छी तरह इस बात को जानते हैं कि इस बियावन जंगल में आकर के वो गायब हो जाएंगे। वो वहाँ लड़े रहना चाहते हैं क्योंकि उनके अहंकार को चोट पहुंची है, उनके स्वाभिमान को चोट पहुंची है।
And now you can also watch Times Now and Times Play, available on all the apps and the app stores. With this, a very short break. More news and updates on the other side.